Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to break down for you how you can wrap texts in your cells in your Smartsheet project sheet. So let us dive right into it. Head over to your Smartsheet project sheet. Let me go with this untitled one here. So what you want to do, guys, is simply navigate to the grid view for this method. So click into the current view by clicking into this arrow here. And after that, select the grid view, and the grid view will then enable a list of customization tools for your text and cells here at the top, where you can, for example, apply various filters, change the font size, apply italic letters, bold letters, and so on and so forth. So amongst these guys, you will see that feature here, wrap, with this symbol here. So all you need to do is click into the given cell. So let's go, for example, this one. As you can see, the text doesn't fit into that cell here, so you will need to wrap or apply a wrapping. So left click into the given cell, click into this symbol here, and that is going to wrap the cell content or text, as you can see now, and that's how it works. Let me do that also with this cell here, and there you go. That's how it works, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.